Stanjabalisco here from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of absurd weather. Happy Thanksgiving, and a full admission that I'm not a meteorologist, but I sure am a damn fool. We only got 4 inches of snow. I thought we were going to get 2 feet. Oh well. Still got, what are you having for dinner or for supper? Well, usually people have either ham or turkey. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to have, or you'll really think I'm a damn fool. Stanjabalisco signing off until next damn fool opportunity to be dead wrong about the weather. So long.